You think you know your Volkswagen, right? Maybe not, because even the most ordinary VW hides smart functions, shortcuts, and silent tricks that most drivers never discover. And once you know them, your car becomes easier to drive, safer, more efficient, and cheaper to maintain. We've spent 20 years fixing Volkswagens and decoding their electronics, helping owners who had no idea what their cars could actually do. This is Das Auto Diaries, and we're not here to repeat the manual. We reveal the things Volkswagen never explains and the tricks real technicians actually use. If you want knowledge that makes ownership smoother and saves you money, hit subscribe right now, because today you're getting the good stuff. 14 hidden Volkswagen features, from comfort functions buried in menus to maintenance tricks that can save you from a tow truck. Some work on older Golfs and Passats, some belong to the MQB platform, and a few require activation or a check in the settings. We'll show you what works, where it works, and why it matters. Ready to find out what your Volkswagen has been hiding from you? Let's get started. Remote window roll down and roll up. This is one of the easiest Volkswagen tricks that most owners never use. On many VW models from roughly 2005 to 2020, you can open or close all windows using only the remote. Hold unlock to drop every window, or hold lock to close them instantly. It is perfect for ventilating the car on hot days or shutting everything quickly when the weather turns. But here is the catch. This feature depends on model year, region, and sometimes needs to be activated. And on a few newer cars, it has been removed for safety regulations. When your VW supports it, it feels like magic in everyday use. If it does not work, check your vehicle settings or manual, because it may simply be disabled. Rain sensor reset trick. If your automatic wipers start acting strange, there is a good chance your rain sensor just needs a reset, not a repair. Many MQB models, including the Golf, Passat, Tiguan, and their Skoda or seat siblings, let you recalibrate the sensor by cycling the wiper stalk in a specific sequence. It is a quick fix that restores proper sensitivity when the system begins misreading drizzle or heavy rain. Just remember, not every Volkswagen supports a manual reset, so if nothing happens, your model may need a diagnostic tool or a simple sensor cleaning. When it works though, it brings back smooth, accurate, intelligent wiper behavior instantly. DSG creep adjustment feel. If your DSG gearbox suddenly feels smoother when you release the brake after a service or battery disconnect, you are not imagining it. Many MQB Volkswagens with 6 or 7-speed DSG units temporarily change creep behavior after adaptation resets. This is not a menu option or user setting. It is simply part of the automatic DSG relearning process, and in some cars it results in a noticeably smoother initial rollout. It is not officially documented by Volkswagen, and it does not happen on every transmission. But technicians see it often. So if your DSG feels better after maintenance, that subtle creep adjustment is the reason. Climate Sync override. Most Volkswagens with dual-zone climate control hide a feature almost no one uses. Instead of adjusting each side separately, you can force both zones to match the driver's temperature with a simple sync command. Some models have a visible sync button, others hide it in the infotainment menu, and a few even activate it by holding the temperature knob for a couple of seconds. It depends on model and region, but the result is the same. One adjustment controls the entire cabin, making long trips smoother and eliminating mismatched temperatures. It is practical, safe, and once you try it, you wonder why it is not shown more clearly. Auto lock and auto unlock settings. Many Volkswagens built after 2008 include the ability to automatically lock the doors when you start driving and unlock them when you shut the engine off. The feature is real and documented, yet often not activated by default, so you need to enable it in the vehicle settings. Availability varies by model year and trim, but when your car has it, it instantly makes daily driving safer, simpler, and more convenient. A small setting that most owners discover far too late. If even one of these surprised you, hit like and tell us in the comments what Volkswagen you drive. Now let's move on to the more advanced features. Battery voltage menu. Some MQB-based models hide a very useful feature for anyone who wants to monitor their battery health. On certain versions of the infotainment system or the service menu, you can view the battery voltage directly on screen without using any external tools. It is not available on every cluster and not standard across the entire lineup, so consider it a model-specific feature usually found on newer Golf, Passat, and Tiguan variants. But when your car has it, it becomes an easy way to catch a weak battery before it causes slow starts or strange electronic failures. A small trick that can save you from a completely silent morning. Hidden Instrument Cluster Test Mode. This is a feature that feels like stepping backstage into your car's electronics. Many older Volkswagens with VDO clusters and even some early MQB models include a hidden instrument cluster test mode. By holding a specific button on the gauge panel while turning the key to the on position, the cluster performs a full diagnostic sweep. Needles move from 0 to maximum, every warning light illuminates, and each LCD segment flashes to confirm it works. It is a great way to check bulbs, spot dead pixels, or diagnose a misaligned needle. Just remember, not every Volkswagen supports this mode, and on newer models, it is mostly intended for technicians rather than everyday drivers. Still, if your car has it, it is a surprisingly useful self-test and a clever trick when you suspect something in the cluster is starting to fail. One-touch window reset. This one is an official feature built into almost every modern Volkswagen, yet many drivers have no idea it exists. If your one touch up or one touch down stops working after a battery change or a window jam, you can reset the entire system in a few seconds. Simply lower the window fully and hold the switch down for a couple of seconds, then raise it all the way up and hold again. That is it. The one-touch function relearns its positions and returns to normal. It is completely safe, requires no tools, and can save you from thinking the regulator or switch has failed. A simple fix that every Volkswagen owner should know. Steering angle sensor recalibration. Here is another feature most people use without realizing it. After a battery change or a brief loss of power, some Volkswagens will show traction control or stability control warnings because the steering angle sensor needs to recalibrate. Luckily, the reset is quick, silent, and built into the car. On many models, all you need to do is start the engine and turn the steering wheel fully to one side, then fully to the other. The system picks up the movement, recenters itself, and the warnings usually disappear. It is not a hack. It is an official Volkswagen procedure designed to bring the ESP system back online without a scan tool. A tiny trick that can clear half your dashboard after a battery swap. Emergency fuel door release. Volkswagen loves electric actuators, and the fuel door is no exception. It is clean, secure, and automatic. Until the day it refuses to open, a dead battery, a failed actuator, or even freezing temperatures can lock it shut. That is why many VW models include a hidden emergency fuel door release, a small mechanical backup system that most owners have never seen. In many Golfs, Passats, Jettas, and Tiguans, it sits behind the right side panel of the trunk, often as a small plastic pull tab or cord. Pull it and the fuel door opens instantly, no tools required. It is a feature designed for exactly the moment you are stuck at a gas station with a lid that will not budge. If you drive a VW with an electric release, learn where this backup pull is located. It can save you from a tow, from forcing the flap open, or from being stranded for something as simple as a stuck actuator. Comfort blinker customization. The comfort blinker is one of those subtle Volkswagen touches that everyone uses, but almost no one understands fully. Tap the stalk lightly and you get the classic 3 flash lane change signal. What most owners never realize is that many Volkswagens let you customize exactly how many flashes you want. Depending on model year and infotainment version, you can open the vehicle settings and change it to 3, 4, or even 5 flashes, giving you a smoother signal for highway driving or a quicker one for tight city traffic. On older models, this feature may not appear in the menu, but a simple OBD coding adjustment can unlock it. It is a tiny personalization that makes your VW feel more intuitive, and once you set it the way you like, your indicators finally match your driving rhythm. Rear wiper auto mode in reverse. This is one of those features that people discover completely by accident. If your front wipers are active and you shift into reverse, many Volkswagen models automatically sweep the rear wiper to keep the window clear. It is a simple but incredibly smart visibility aid, especially on hatchbacks and SUVs where rear glass gets dirty fast. Most drivers never notice it because it only activates under specific conditions. And on many MQB models, it can even be turned on or off through the vehicle settings. Still, when it is enabled, it makes parking in the rain or snow noticeably easier. It is one of those small VW touches that feels invisible until the moment you need it. And then you realize how much safer and more convenient it makes everyday driving. Advanced ACC distance setting. Adaptive cruise control already transforms long trips, but what many Volkswagen owners never discover is that some newer models offer deeper, hidden distance and sensitivity adjustments beyond the normal on-screen presets. On certain MQB and MQB Evo cars like the Golf, Passat, Tiguan, and Arteon, additional parameters exist in the engineering or service menus that let you fine-tune how closely the car follows traffic, how early it slows down, and how smoothly it accelerates. Not every VW includes these advanced options, and some require a diagnostic tool or a technician to access. So they should always be treated as available on some models, rather than guaranteed. But when your car supports them, the difference is real. A CC becomes more natural, more predictable, and tailored to your driving style, making the system feel less robotic and more like a skilled co-driver on long journeys. Turbo cool-down indicator logic. This is not a switch, a button, or a secret menu. It is a real behavior that many Volkswagen turbo engines use as an implicit reminder that the turbo is still hot. After a spirited drive or long highway pull, you may notice that when you park, the radiator fan keeps running, the oil temperature slowly drops, or the idle stays slightly elevated for a few moments. This is not a glitch. It is the car actively cooling the turbocharger and stabilizing internal temperatures before shutdown. On 1.4, 1.5, 1.8, and 2.0 TSI engines, this is completely normal and part of Volkswagen's built-in protection logic. If you see the fan running after you switch off the ignition or the temp reading staying high, the engine is telling you it still needs a moment to cool. Waiting for the fan to slow or for the temperature to settle helps prevent oil coking inside the turbo and extends its lifespan dramatically. It is not a feature Volkswagen officially advertises, but once you understand it, you know exactly when your turbo is ready to be shut down safely. So that's it. You've just unlocked 14 hidden Volkswagen features that most owners will never discover in the entire life of their car. Some depend on model year, some require activation, and some are simply buried deep in the menus. But when your VW has them, they make the car easier to live with, safer to drive, and even cheaper to maintain. Now you know them, and your car will thank you for it. Before you go, do us one favor. Tell us in the comments which hidden feature your Volkswagen has, or which one surprised you the most. We read every message and your experience helps other VW owners. And if you want more real-world Volkswagen advice without fluff or marketing talk, make sure you hit like, subscribe, and join us here on Das Auto Diaries. If you want your Volkswagen to run smoother, last longer, and avoid expensive surprises, watch our next video right now. How to make your Volkswagen last 300,000 miles. See you there.